if these Muslims will turn out from the area, then I will punish. But when they are there, they are saying, Astaghfirullah, I am not going to punish the area. Got it? So Sayyidina Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu said that now Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is not amongst us. He is, and he is gone to Allah. Say, he has gone to Allah subhanahu. So now only we have istighfar. So do istighfar as much. Do istighfar as much. Sayyidina Ali radiallahu ta'ala, he is given the same sal. They, in the whole day, if you can, say 1,000 times astaghfirullah. If not that much, so say 500 times astaghfirullah. If not that much, so at least 313 times, which is the number of the Mujahideen of Badr and number of the Mujahideen of Talut alayhi salatu wasalam. 313, they were 313 was in Badr. So he said that number. So when you are driving, it does not take time. Astaghfirullah, 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 astaghfirullah. What you do? Nothing. Your energy decreased with astaghfirullah.
No.
Yeah. So you are not losing anything. So you have to protect the whole insaniya and the whole community by saying astaghfirullah Allah. If you can, so you should say astaghfirullah al-azim alladhi la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum wa atubu ilayh wa sallallahu ala khairi khalqihi.